Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie, of course, because it's my channel. Today I wanted to sit down and do a natural springy summertime look. I wanted to show you all how I do my makeup when it's hot outside, keeping it very minimal, natural. If it's your first time here, please consider subscribing. We'd really appreciate it. Let's get started. I have very dry skin. It can get oily because I sweat a lot. I hate being hot, but it is very important to make sure my skin is nice and hydrated, that I'm drinking plenty of water, which I haven't been doing because my lips and my nose, but just everything is chapped. Like, I'm just dehydrated in my, you can tell from my face. First, I'm going to put on some color corrector for my super dark under eye bags. And I'm just going in with my finger. Yeah, I know. Then I'm going to take a tiny bit of concealer, super tiny, apply some BB cream. My favorite BB cream to use is the Maybelline Dream BB Fresh, and I have it in medium sheer tint. After it's blended out all nicely, I'll go in with my brow pencil because I'm going for natural. I am using a black brow pencil and just lightly adding some brow strokes. Now I am going to put on some brow gel. And instead of using a cream contour, I'm just going to go in with a bronzer and just lightly contour my cheeks, in my forehead, and my non-existent jawline. Cream blush is my favorite type of blush to apply, and I'm just going to go lightly over it with a brush. The creamy just makes my skin look more dewy and hydrated than using a powder. And I do like to bring my blush up just because since my cheeks are so round. And I'm gonna put a little bit on the tip of my nose. You can skip this if you want, because I mean, I'm pretty sure with it being hot outside, you're just gonna be red anyway, at least for me. But I'm trying to hide that little Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer pimple thing. And just to accentuate the curves of my eyes, I'm going to use a slightly darker eyeshadow than my natural skin tone, and without primer, just add it. With brown eyeliner, I'm going to just line the outer portion of my waterline. I'm not gonna go all the way in. Then I'm gonna take a black eyeliner and line my top waterline just to make my lashes appear thicker. And I just also do this in the outer portion. And before I forget, I'm gonna add highlight. This Stila highlighter, Heaven's Hue highlighter, I have it in the shade Kitten, and it is the best highlighter I have for when I want it to be a low-key highlight, look a little bit more dewy and sweaty than flashy. On my chin, just a little bit. My Cupid's bow. And then this is life-changing, just a little bit of highlighter. And just put it in the center of your forehead. I don't know why, but it just looks so nice. I'm going to go ahead and enhance my beauty marks, moles, freckles, I don't know what to call them, but the little dots on my face that are already there, make them pop a little bit more. And I'm using a brown liquid liner. That's because I pinched my skin when I was plucking my eyebrows. But the world will never know. Well, you guys will. But next I am going to line my lips with a purple lip liner. I'm taking a brush and blending it out a little bit. Then I'm gonna put on some lip gloss because my lips are chapped as hell, and lip gloss is great to disguise that. And then last but not least, the eyelashes. Here's the completed look. Feeling cute, feeling fine. Whenever I do my makeup, I just can't stop staring at myself. I know you do the same too. If you want to see how I do my lashes, you can look at my previous video. It's called Ways to Make Your Eyes Appear Bigger, and I show you my favorite mascara and stuff like that, and you get to see it because my lashes are my favorite part and I take great pride in doing them. Yeah, that is all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I can't wait to see you next week. Bye.